Hey there, TikTok enthusiasts. Today, I've got a quick tutorial for you on how to put auto scroll on TikTok. Let's dive into the tutorial. The first step is to open TikTok on your mobile device. Once you are in, now, find a video you like. When you find it, now, hold your finger on it. This will open up a menu with various options. At the top row, look for the auto scroll option. Just tap on it, and you'll see a message saying, next post will be shown automatically. Now, when video have finished, you can see the auto scroll feature is working. Just like that. It's a great way to keep the content flowing without any manual effort. However, if you don't see the auto scroll option when holding your finger on a video, there are a couple of things you can check. First, make sure your TikTok app is up to date. Close TikTok, head to your app store. Search for TikTok, and if there's an update available, click on it. Once updated, return to TikTok and check if the auto scroll option appears. If your app is already up to date or the update doesn't provide the feature, you might need to be patient. The auto scroll feature is still being rolled out to TikTok accounts, so it might take some time before it reaches everyone. And there you have it. That's how you can easily enable auto scroll on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.